Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Between Georgia and India, when India got to realize that there are relics of Queen Ketevan lying here, and we got some information in 1958. It took ASI 16 years to locate it, and we kept excavating, and after 16 years of excavation, these relics were found, and not just these relics, 8 more relics were found, which belonged to different heads of the priests and other people, bishops, priests, etc., which were found along with it. And then a long study and research went on it in terms of genomics, and through genomic study in Hyderabad, the lab decided that these belong to Queen Ketevan. So it shows India's commitment, long-standing commitment towards preservation of heritage and conservation of all the history has to showcase. And that completely goes with the Indian value system, that we not only accept others, we respect others, which is unlike many other people. Some of them attacked us in the past, some of them made us slaves, changed our religions, did all kinds of atrocities on us.
As it was mentioned, the Saint Ketevan bears a special importance for the Georgians because she was the example of many things, and of course she sacrificed herself for religion, for the country. And as it was mentioned, decision to generously give the part of the relics to the Georgian people, which was handed over by the Minister of Jaishankar in 2021, it was also very important for us. It's decision from very close country. We feel it ourselves, and of course it's proved by our decisions and our work. So I would like to thank the Prime Minister, because without him this decision won't be able, and thank to him these relics.